So when you first come in, you've got the little thingy. There's no entry light, so I turned on the mirror light. See? When you turn off the mirror light, it gets completely dark. Bam. So we've got a full size mirror with lights. Very cute. We've got the barn bathroom door over here. We've got our huge wardrobe, the safe, and it's really heavy, the doors, then it lights up. Let's go ahead and go in the restroom. Here's the shower. The toilet's over there, we won't worry about that. You've got your double sinks with all of your towels and things down there. Your mirror, your little makeup counter, super cute. What do these do? Oh, you can change the lighting. Nice. Okay. And then here's the room. We just got the basic room, but it's super cute, right? This is my first time staying at Circa, even though they've been open for a few years now. Got a little mini fridge. Circa is an adult-only hotel. So, you know, as a mom, it's kind of hard to get away and stay at the adults-only hotels. But it's my birthday, so I got away. You've got your little pad. I guess this is like what, to order room service. I don't know, to call the front desk, because it is 2026 now, and you guys see the temps? The temps in Vegas right now. You see that? That's real. This is not AI. But yeah, there's no phones anymore. Here's your little control center for the lights in the room. The entry. So does that mean you can unlock the door from here? That is so cool. How do you turn it off? Oh, that turned off something. Okay. Oh, duh. It says all off. Bam, we're in the dark. Except that light. Nice. Okay, so yeah, that's your little control panel. That and this. So we can listen to music from here, everything. All right, here's the TV. You know what's crazy? I didn't even notice the TV. Like, the room is so perfect for me, and I didn't even care. I didn't even realize there was a damn TV on the wall. Obviously, there's gonna be one, but I didn't even see it. We've got this. Now, best part is the view. So let me get you guys set up. How are we gonna do this? Is this good? Are you guys good here? Okay, I think you're good there. All right, can you guys see me? Hi. Let's go ahead and open these up. Now, they asked me if I wanted a strip view or a pool view. You know, typically you're in Vegas, you want the strip, but nah, not at Circa. At Circa, you want the pool view. It's literally breathtaking. You know how people like to see views of like mountains and fields and farms and shit? For me, this is it's an awe moment. I am in love. And you saw how hot it is out there. So we got the little boxing match going. Who's gonna win, y'all? Right on time. Go ahead on, Mr. Dayron. All right. So yep, here it is. Let me zoom out for you guys so you can catch all the glory. You've got the bars, the pools, the beds, everything. Hey guys, it's me, Corey. I know I didn't do an intro in the beginning because some people are just here for the tour. They don't want to see me, so I figured I'd start out, show you guys the room, then come sit down and talk to you. We are here at Circa. This is just the basic. I picked, like, you know how you can pick a 1 bed or a 2 bed, or you can pick basically pick my room for me. That's what I picked because I know that all their rooms are nice. I've seen the reviews, I've seen the pictures and everything, and this is what we got. Again, this is a 21 and over hotel. They check IDs at the parking garage when you're walking in, at the the doors before you go up in the elevator. This is the most secure hotel I've ever been in. You know how you have to use your key card to get upstairs in a lot of places? Well, this one, you put your key card in and you don't even pick your floor. The floor is picked for you. You're getting off where you're getting off, okay? You ain't no other stops. So I really like that. Super secure. Parking is a bit expensive. So I went ahead and bought the all-day pass for $25, and that's gonna get us till 6 o'clock tomorrow, 6 p.m. tomorrow. So $25 a day is basically $25, I guess 24 hours, I don't know, is basically what the parking is, but their parking is super expensive if you don't pay for that. A room total with resort fee was $180, about $180, and then the $25 parking on top of that, $100 deposit, refundable deposit on top of that. So just be ready to spend a little bit of coin, even if you're just doing a little one-night staycation like me. But I know most of you guys are actually traveling here, so maybe you can get a better deal than me. So yes, let me know what you guys think. Have you guys stayed at Circa? I have not. I've been here several times to the casino. I was here like during the grand opening, but I've never stayed here. And I just wanted to get away for the weekend, away from the kids. 21 and over, so I have no excuses to be like, I think my kids would want to swim, because that's what I do. Even when I say, oh, I'm gonna stay here alone, by like 6 o'clock, I'm driving across town to go pick up my kids. So yes, it's just adults only, and yeah, keep that in mind. People come here for the pool, let's be real. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you've stayed here before, or if you would stay here. Do you think that price is reasonable? Do you think that price is reasonable for Fremont Street, where the hotels are on the cheaper side? I don't know. Let me know what you think. If you guys want to see more videos like this from me, I know that the room tour videos help a lot of people. Just let me know. Leave a comment down below. I can, maybe go stay at a hotel that you've been thinking about lately and give you guys a little tour. Don't forget to hit the like button to let me know that you guys liked it. Bye.